You ready?
Oh, what are we ready for?
Happy Saturday, everybody. It is after chores in the afternoon. We've had a very busy day today.
We did?
Yeah, we did.
Oh.
Lots going on. Dragon is a little moist. Is that a good word? Sweaty. He's glistening. Justin was here. We showed you guys some of the amazing stuff he did today, clearing up our fence line, getting ready for us to get our bees set down there, starting working on clearing up the parking lot area and the driveway. Spring is sprung. Dragon, over to you.
That's all for me. Did you work in the store today at all?
You did a little bit of work in the store, but before we go up there, we have such great lighting here. Well, now we've lost it. Back on your mark. You were going to tell us about today first, and then we'll go up to the store.
I was in the store busy. I was selling plants and working on the drywall. Where were you?
Selling plants and working on the drywall.
At the gym. You showing the parking?
Yes, we saw the parking area earlier. What else you got?
That's it. So,
good day, good Saturday.
good Saturday. We were busy with plants, with sales, good sales. This is sales are slowly picking up. We have to start bringing even more. People want plants. People want more. We're kind of hesitant on how much we want to bring in because we still have temperatures dropping into 30s starting Monday through Thursday. I believe there's 4 nights. It's going to be mid to low 30s overnight temperatures. So, and Kevin is going to be out of town, so I don't want to be by myself moving all those plants in and out. So we'll see. Friday we're going to try to get some more stuff, and that's about it.
All right. Thank you so much.
We loaded another load of Australorp eggs and a couple of guineas. So guineas started laying. We had, I forgot how many guinea eggs we had. A couple of turkey eggs and the rest were guineas.
14, is that
14,
right?
yeah, there you go. Yeah.
2 turkey,
We
14
had one
guinea.
guinea hatched actually. Yeah, 1 turkey, 1 guinea. It's a tiny bitty guinea. Right here, there he is.
And the feed.
Right here. Guinea kid. There they are. They're much smaller than chicks.
Cute in the beginning, but not so much when they
become
when
a dinosaur.
Become
They become dinosaur after a while. But they're right here with chicks. Doing just fine. So we'll be hatching more of those as they start laying. They're kind of late spring. They start laying a little more aggressively. You know, last year we were getting 5 eggs a day.
Out of 5 females.
Out of 5 females. So, and now we're getting 1 a day. So, we added 4 more. We're not sure what they are.
Yeah.
But yeah, get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is not a nice day, so we're probably going to stay open tomorrow and work on the store. We'll see what we're going to do tomorrow. Maybe start the checkout wall.
Ooh.
Start working on that. So we'll be back tomorrow.
All right.
New ventures.
We'll see you tomorrow. New adventures as promised.
All right. Ready, Bella? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go see. Come on.
Happy Sunday, everybody. Kyle here, our head rooster, our Australorp. We've had him longer than any of our other chickens. He was with our first batch of 35 chickens that we got, has been in our breeding pen for the past few weeks with the Astrolore pins. We have now swapped him out with our Red Rhode Island rooster and Bella. So now he has to reclaim his throne here as the head rooster. So that was him going after it with Rudy, who was our newest addition. But some of the ladies are like, Kyle, where you been? We missed you, buddy. So it's going to be probably a couple of days of angst out here between Kyle, Rudy, and Tommy, our turkey Tom, while they all reestablish their pecking order. But these are the things that happen on the farm.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday morning. Exciting Monday on the farm. As you can see, windows after a long wait started showing up. So we got 3 of the smaller windows in, and right in here, 2 big ones are also here. We are still waiting on the doors, that size doors, and one of the smaller windows. So this window right here is still missing, but it's really great to see them finally here. We can start working on that. Cheryl is here somewhere with us. Her and I started working on our feature wall behind the checkout. We'll try to get some of it done today and work on that. So slowly plucking away. Super excited about the windows. They're gonna let so much of this natural light in. Can't wait to see that. And here we are. Monday comes to the end. We have some cold temperatures for next couple of days. I think next 3 or 4 days. Overnight temperatures in low 30s. So any cold sensitive plants, have to bring them in. That took a minute. They're gonna be here for next couple of days. And then Cheryl and I made some decent progress on the feature wall behind checkout counter. We have about a third of it done. Looking good so far. Great productive Monday today. Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Tuesday. My girl Bella and I've been busy resetting the old brooders. This is where we had meat chicks last year. We're getting a new set of chicks tomorrow, another 35 tomorrow morning, and the ones that are 2 weeks old are gonna go inside this brooder. This is 4x8 brooder space here, and since we are still in March, they're gonna be here for 2 weeks and then go out in the pasture. Hopefully by then we'll be somewhere mid-April, probably. What do we have, 2 weeks? No, beginning of the April. But overnight temperatures shouldn't be as bad anymore, because last night we were in high 20s, 28. We have 2 waters and a large feeder. That should be plenty for them. But let's pick up the chicks. Let's go, Belly. Come on. And snow is here. Yay! Hi, Snowy. And here we are, back of the shop, our brooder area for this season. These little guys are now a week old, and these guys are 2 weeks old. And that's the crew that's going to be moving over next door. And then we have some of the heritage birds here. We have barred rocks, australorps, and American breasts, and one solar turkey. But let's get these guys loaded up. Let's go, everybody. Come on. Just like that, got everybody moved. I think we have 34 baby chicks. A nice new roaming area, and they're gonna be here for the next 2 weeks. And over there, they have a big feeder now. I have to fight for a feeder space. They're gonna be putting on weight nice. I have 2 waterers for them as well. I'm gonna pull the top on because of the cold nights. Usually we have a half of it open like this, but right now we're gonna pull the top on and let them be. These guys are all set. Now we gotta do the rest of the chores and take care of the rest of the birds. Alright, we also got a quick chicken coop move from here to here. This is the last move for this section, and once Kevin gets back from his work trip, he's going to do patch. We have a customer pulled up to the farm, so we gotta run back.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday morning. We are back in our brooder barn. Just received another batch of meat chicks. We moved out the oldest ones out to the old rabbitry area. These guys here are 1 week old. These guys here are 1 day old. I'm gonna walk over there and see how the 2 week olds are doing. We still have a couple of heritage breeds here that we've hatched: Australorps, Bardrocks, and American Breasts. And these little fluffy guys, these are hatched for some of our friends. They are starting their own flocks, so we hatch a few of them from our mixed flock out in the pasture. They'll be going to their forever home in the next couple days. But let's check how the 2 week olds are doing. I think we are in our old rabbitry setup. Eventually we're gonna move all the brooders right here in this area. We are still getting chilly nights, so we didn't want to risk anything. This is our last year's brooders. They're 4x8 brooders. We housed, 80 chicks in each. And here are the 2 week old guys. Doing just well. Fed them this morning earlier. Chilling in their little house. Everybody's doing well. In about 2 weeks, they're gonna go out in the pasture and enjoy the life on the pasture here on the farm. They're getting big already. Feathers are nicely coming in. Looking good. Quick update from the orchard. Look at this beautiful pear tree. I don't remember what variety this is, but it's super exciting. Look at the blooms. We might be able to harvest a couple of pears this year. That is just amazing and super, super exciting. Need to look at the orchard plan just to see what variety this is, but this is fantastic. Pears are gonna be coming in. And let me update you on yesterday's project. You saw our friend Larry tilling our fence line that we graded last week. And then we got some crazy winds yesterday, 15 to 25 mile an hour winds, and it was just not worth trying to record anything. So here we are. So this entire fence line is tilled. We ordered some perennial wildflower mix, hummingbird mix, pollinator mix, 5 different mixes. We're gonna seed this entire fence line here and let it grow. Won't be cutting it. Just it will be perennial pollinator garden kind of here. And if you remember, between this tree here and that tree here, all this area that's reserved for our bees. I'm gonna put a fence line there too as well. I'm gonna probably cut the grass right up against the fence line, but everything else will be planted with some beautiful flowers, perennial flowers here. Super, super exciting. So we extended this, you can call it a flower bed area. So it's about 35 probably feet wide. Tilled. Throw on some limestone and maybe some Espona fertilizer just to give them a nice boost. We have some rain coming in tomorrow. So it will be good to get that settled in. It's gonna look a lot different in the next couple months. Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Friday. Things are moving along. Sorry for these short videos with Kevin away. I was trying to get some videos, but it's been a fairly steady day. We did some moving. We moved our display out here right in front of the house because we were hoping actually this weekend to get this display area taken care of, but now we have a major rain coming through tomorrow. We're expecting about 2 inches of rain tomorrow in our area, so Saturday is going to be a wash. We're going to be inside, going to try to work on some drywall. We cleared most of the old display area, moved all the plants up against the orchard fence, so all of this is going to be coming down. It is interesting. Look at this ground that had a landscaping fabric on. Nothing is underneath other than my favorite wiregrass that can survive apocalypse. But yeah, this stuff is really good. So in the next hopefully couple of weeks we'll get this done and have the milling zone. We're looking to move this water hydrant around the corner, so this becomes another display area for our products that we offer. Hi Mama Kim. And then we're gonna build a display area all the way out, just like we had last fall. I was at the wholesaler today, brought some beautiful plants, but I had to put them in a greenhouse because our overnight temperatures for the next couple of days are in the very low 30s, so we don't want to risk losing those.
And hi everybody, I'm back. I know it was a long week for Dragon without me, but I want to say thank you, Dragon, for holding down the fort while I was away on my business trip. I know that it's been a while since we've been with you. Folks have been asking, where's the next video? Where's the next video? So we are going to play a little bit of catch up. So if you are watching this one, we want to thank you for sticking with us and waiting it out. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure you click around, see some of our other videos, and stay tuned because we have a busy few days coming your way to catch you up with all the things that have been going on as we are really gearing up to get our store open. Lots of exciting stuff happening here on the farm, and rest assured we are documenting everything to bring to you along with us on that journey. And in closing, as I say each and every week, if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.